Hi, I'm Palmina, and this is my dog and best friend Eva, and this is my boat Mathilde. Mathilde is an Okitosi large 6.60 meter sailboat built in 1982. There were only 20 pieces of this boat ever made. Unfortunately, she was in a really bad state when I got her, so I gave her a good cleaning. Given that my boat is a project boat and that Mathilde is obviously a high maintenance lady, there was and there still is a lot of work to do. So far we have changed the windows, the valves, installed a new propeller shaft, we replaced the old Renault engine with a new non-diesel engine, we installed a windlass and a bowsprit, painted everything from the outside and performed some important structural works. The workers I hired at the shipyard are currently in the phase of finishing the plastic coverings for the walls, as you can see, after which they will install a new toilet, because it's not there yet and it's there instead. And we have to install the new rub rail around the edges of the boat on the outside. Given the fact that I consider myself a weekend warrior, over the next few weeks I will be doing my best to give this boat a new life that it deserves. This weekend I have sanded and repainted all of the wooden cabinetry that is inside of the boat. All of the cabinets were painted in a really ugly shade of yellow when I got the boat, so I had to do what was necessary. Of course, I had to have a snack and enjoy the beautiful sunset before I got back to work. And yes, I forgot to bring the light with me this time and it was getting dark. Yesterday evening it started to get really dark outside, so I had to speed everything up and paint the first layer of paint. After I sanded everything down a little bit, I added a second layer of paint. Although I'm definitely not a professional, I still believe this looks much better than it did before. In my garage at home I have also repainted all of the doors for the cabinets and I will be installing them later when the workers apply a fresh coat of gel coat to the inside of the boat. Next morning I had to do some other stuff, as it was getting a little bit cloudy and a little bit of rain also started to fall. I had to hurry up and come to the marina. today I have to finish what I have done this weekend, so I have to put some things back in place. So I have spent some time trying to put this same back in place where it was before. Unfortunately, it doesn't look as good, but it is what it is. So this episode has come to an end. It was done over the course of one weekend, and I hope that in the next few weeks I will be able to do more work on my boat when the workers I have hired finish some of the other stuff. Even though I don't expect anyone besides probably my family and friends to ever watch this, I'm still very grateful to be able to maybe document this part of my life. Thank you for being here with me if you have even watched this, and I hope that you will follow me on my journey as I finish the works on my boat, and also as I learn to sail my boat in the Adriatic Sea. And please enjoy the scenery.